Okay, lunchbox is packed.
Great! Let's go outside.
Okay, backpack's ready.
Great! Let's go, sis.
Ready? Can you hold my hand?
Of course! Let's go to school.
I can't wait.
Good morning. Ready for the first day?
Yes, miss. I'm so excited.
Wonderful. Let me just check you in.
Okay.
Perfect. Let's head in, everyone.
Yay, come on.
Please stand in a straight line.
Good morning to you, Mrs. Higgins.
Good morning, Clara. Watch your step.
Can we sit at the back?
Yes, Leo, but keep your voice low.
The bus looks very clean and shiny. Hey, sleepyhead, wake up!
Huh? Oh, I fell asleep.
Look at the sheep! Wow, so many!
Enjoying the view, kids?
Yes!
It will be about 10 more minutes.
I am very hungry for my snack.
You must wait for the picnic, Leo.
Huh? Oh, I fell asleep. Me too. What'd I miss?
Wow!
Quell, I spare barn shirts. All right, everyone, time to wake up. We're here.
Are we there?
Yes, let's line up and get off the bus. All right, everyone, let's set our white mats.
Okay.
Mine is ready.
Wonderful. Now we can sit.
This is nice.
Yeah, cozy.
All right, let's see what we have.
Wow, it's a big map. Careful, don't let it fly away.
Good idea. Let's lay it flat.
Look, the lake is right here.
And the path goes this way. I have cheese and apple slices today. My mother gave me a small cake. Would you like to trade a piece?
Yes, I love red apples very much.
Remember to drink your fresh orange juice.
The juice is very cold and very sweet.
That is a very good idea for my art.
You are all very talented and very creative.
Drawing in the park is very peaceful for me.
We must leave the park very clean and tidy.
I found a small white paper on the grass.
Put it in the bag with the other things. Thank you for helping the earth stay beautiful.
The meadow looks perfect and very bright again.
All right, class, let's keep up the great work.
We're almost done with this area.
I found another bottle.
Excellent. Let's get it in the sack.
Yeah!
Everyone say cheese for the big picture. I am making a very funny face now. Be serious, Leo, or it will look bad. All right, everyone, big smiles now. Perfect. Thank you, everyone.
Cheese.
I got it with my 2 small hands.
You are very good at this game, Clara.
Let us play for 5 more minutes.
Okay, ready? Go. Wonderful. Look at them all go. It is time to walk to the lake.
The lake is where the blue fish live. We must walk in a very quiet line.
Look at the water. It's sparkling.
It's so pretty. Can I touch it?
Whoa, look, there are fish in there.
I see them. They're so fast.
Yes, they're very lively
This
today.
is the best.
The water is clear like a big glass mirror. I see a small frog on a green leaf. Do not touch the frog with your hand. I just want to see his yellow eyes.
Stay away from the deep and cold water.
The pebbles look like small and white eggs. I want the cold and chocolate ice cream. I will have the white vanilla in a cone. It feels very cold in my warm and happy hand. Do not let it melt on your clean white shirt. I will eat it very fast like a hungry cat. It tastes like a sweet and like a very cold cloud.
Make sure you have all your own things now.
I have my bag and my silver lunchbox too.
I lost my blue hat under the big oak tree. Go find it very quickly before we leave now.
I will help you look for it right now, Leo. I found it near the small white flowers.
Rest well, children. We will be back at the school very soon.
Today was the best picnic in the whole and the bright white world.
Please check your seats one more time for all your small things.
I see my mother waving her hand by the white and silver car.
Goodbye, Clara. I will see you at the big school very early tomorrow morning.
Goodbye, Leo. Thank you for being a very kind and a very good partner.
Have a very nice evening and get plenty of good and quiet rest.
I am so happy and very bright picnic.
I am a very lucky girl to have such a very bright and a very good life.